Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open a draw.io XML file. If you've been working with diagrams and flowcharts, you'll often save them as XML files, and knowing how to reopen and edit them is essential for continuing your work seamlessly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to draw.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to a new tab where the draw.io editor interface opens up, ready for you to create and edit diagrams. Now that you're in the editor, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on File to open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Open From. This is the key feature that allows you to import existing diagram files from different storage locations. After clicking Open From, you'll be presented with several storage options to choose from. These include Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, browser, device, and URL. Each option gives you flexibility depending on where your XML file is stored. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Drive as our example, so go ahead and click on Google Drive. When you select Google Drive, Draw.io will attempt to connect to your account. If you're already logged into your Google account in that browser, it will open your Google Drive directly. However, if you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials first. Take a moment to sign in if needed, as this step is necessary to access your stored files. Once you're inside your Google Drive, browse through your folders to locate the draw.io XML file you want to open. These files typically have an XML extension and might be saved in a specific project folder. When you find the file, click on it to select it. After selecting your file, you'll notice a Select button appear. Click this button to confirm your choice. Now you'll be given two options for how you want to open your diagram. You can choose to open in this window, which will replace any unsaved work in your current tab, or open in new window, which launches the diagram in a separate tab. This second option is particularly useful if you want to keep your current workspace intact while working on multiple diagrams simultaneously. Select the option that best fits your workflow, and there you have it. Your draw.io XML file is now open and ready for editing. You can now continue working on your diagram, making any necessary changes or additions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.